So what brought you to Pilates?
Well, I had a chronic back. I was suffering from sciatica, which is a pain right down from the back, right down the legs to the big toe. And I'd been to the chiropractor. I spent lots of money with the chiropractor. I went to the osteopath, and I had an MRI which showed that my lower back was completely misaligned and misplaced. And everybody said there's nothing you can do. You'll have to have an operation, a major fusion. And the osteopath said, I can't do any more for you, but I do recommend you keep mobile, do Pilates. So last August, I could hardly walk, literally couldn't walk with this pain. And I came right out of my comfort zone, and I met you in the park. It was a lovely hot summer's day in August. And I thought, what am I doing here? And I was, within weeks, literally, the pain decreased significantly. I began to feel a lot better. I could play golf again. I had to give all that up. I couldn't walk, and all of a sudden I'm managing what is an injury to such an extent that I don't no longer need a major fusion operation, which was a biggie for me, and I haven't looked back.
It's brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good story.
It's such a great story.
It is a great story.
But also, you've been so committed at doing exercises between classes as well,
Yeah.
and committing to it. Like you've been coming to 2 classes a week.
Yes, I have. I've been coming on a Monday and a Wednesday, and also I do quite a lot at home as well, because I feel so much better afterwards. I feel more mobile, less pain-free, and it's just literally managing an injury, really. But yeah, there's you've got to have commitment.
Yeah.
But when I realised it was doing me, I quickly realised it was doing me so much good. That was the incentive to keep going and keep going. And it got better and better and better. And even only last week I said to you, this is the best it's been. There's no pain at all today, and there wasn't, you know. Did a 7-mile walk over the weekend, played golf over the weekend, which is another 6.5-mile walk, you know, with very, very little pain. So it's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Love it. You're inspirational. Okay.
Pilates for backs is great because it helps strengthen the core, which in turn helps support the back. It helps to lengthen out tight muscles. It helps to relax the mind and the body. The class includes mobilisation, strengthening and toning, stretching and relaxation. And if you have aches or pains or problems with your health, this is the perfect class to come to.